Wait. 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 Wise one, please. You are all I have now. You can't let me die. Please, you have to do something. Please.
You will die if you do not do what you are asked to do urgently. This sacred brotherhood will not save you.
Wise one, tell me, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Go get a virgin, keep her in your house. We shall perform sacrifices on her in a coffin. As long as she eats the food of the dead, your life will return from the living dead. Because right now, you have gone so far. We do not know if you will be with us in the next 7 days.
Wise one, please. Don't do this to me. Please do something. Do something within your power. I'm ready. I'm ready to do anything. Anything to stay alive. Please. Please.
Do what is expected of you. There is no time.
Chukwu na mmadụ ga-abụrụ otu, ndị nọ n'eluigwe na ndị nọ n'ụwa ga-emekọrịta. Bịanụ, bụrụ otu n'ime mmụọ. What kept you?
Is it now that the morning mass ended? What are you doing there?
Mama, you know, today is Blue Army's meeting and confession, so I decided to attend confession.
You decided to do what?
Attend confession.
Akuchi, you attend confession.
Mama, what's this now?
Akuchi, what are you confessing? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Are you sure you're still a virgin?
Mama, so because I attend confession, does that mean that I'm not a virgin? Mama, please, I'm still a virgin, and I will remain like that till I get married.
Then what are you confessing?
Mama, are you leaving so early?
Yes, my daughter. They say we should come very, very early so that all of us will follow to the mortuary and follow the corpse to the village.
Okay.
So, wait. Wait for me. Okay. See, run. You have to go out there, get me leather, That walking talking old. And the simple one, that black. Get it many for me. I am going to come back with a lot of goodies. The woman that died is a rich woman.
Mama.
But drink, everything.
You and this your lifestyle. You know that I don't like burial food. But I will just go and buy the nylon for you. But I won't eat it.
Wait, burial food. Is there any other thing that they use to cook burial food and the home food? Are they not the same? If you say you are not going to eat it, good and fine. Don't come close to it. Even the drink that I am going to pack, different types, don't come close to them. Rush, please. I don't want to be late before the boys go. Warasta. Run! You don't like burial food. You can't hear that chop. All more and a chop here. You don't like burial food. Please run, go fast and come back. Where is my big thing?
What do I do? Where do I see a virgin? Huh? Where? What do I do? Please, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. What do I do? Virgin. Virgin.
What is still keeping this girl? What is still keeping this girl? Or you put me rubber go tell me here, can this girl gone or 2 hours? Or could you go tell her that?
Mama.
Oh, Ada, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Good morning.
Good morning, my dear.
Mama, where is Akuchi? Has she gone to the ball?
No, my dear. I sent Akuchi to go and buy me nylon bag. And since then, she's not yet back. I don't know what she's doing there. If she wants me to go late.
Mama, it's like you're traveling.
My dear, yes. We are going for a burial. I sent your friend to go and get me nylon bag. Nylon bag that I will use and pack food there. And since then, she's not back.
Mama, don't
She
worry.
wants me to go late.
No. Let me rush and call her.
Please do. Call her. Tell her that I'm still waiting. In fact, collect the bag from her. Let me go. Collect it.
Okay,
I know she will be there singing Ekele Maria Naidia song until I go late. Now go must be or happy here is the and case here. And they can not go come away either.
Where is she? She's inside.
You must do cleansing for you to bounce back and remain notable. You must do blood sacrifice. You know the waka waka. Innocent blood, blood of a virgin.
She is a virgin.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
You will take her to your place.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Make sure no one sees her.
Okay, wise one.
Keep that in your possession.
Okay. Okay.
Don't forget. Make sure no one sees her.
Thank you. Thank you, wise one.
And if she didn't come here to buy the nylon, where else would she have gone? I've checked all the shops here and she's not here. Where did she now go to buy nylon? I think I have to go to the house now and tell Mama.
What? Where could she have gone to?
I don't know. I've checked all the shops in the village, but I didn't see her anywhere.
Have you seen it? Obi, have you seen it? Your friend Akuchi wants me to get angry this morning. She wants me to get angry before leaving this place.
Mama, don't worry. I can quickly go and buy another nylon for you. I didn't know I was not going to see her. I would have just bought one on my way.
Don't bother yourself. Let me go. On my way, I will get it. Because if I sit here to wait for you, the bus will full. Please. Oh,
okay, Mama.
I will get it. Let her eat the nylon bag. Let her eat it. But when I come back, she will see the other side of me.
Let me go and fetch water then. I'll see her when she comes back.
Tell her to get ready to cry. Because I will deal with her when I come back. Let me lock the door.
Okay, Mama, bye-bye.
Oh, my daughter.
Bunga. Bunga.
She will be gone soon. Great Kubunga has really saved your life.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Please, don't kill me.
She will be gone soon. She will remain here. While you feed her with flesh, she will continue to make more money for you. We don't have time. Let us leave. Ubunga.
Let me rest. Die, Siepa. What kind of an old witch are you? You don't do more than I feel like killing you. Eh? What sort of evil man are you? Eh? Why have you refused to die? Why do you keep messing things up for me, this man? Can you hear me again?
No, please, I don't want to die. Don't kill me. It's not my time yet.
You don't want to die?
Yes.
You don't want to die? Hey! Some people are really wicked. As old as you are, you don't want to die. So you don't know that life is meant for the young. Enna, Imaro, you must die, yo. See, let me tell you, look at me. I am here to stay. Your son has married me, so I have come to stay. And one thing I am going to make sure of is to make sure I show you the way to hell. Since you don't want to die, because that is where people like you deserve to be. You are nothing but an evil wizard. Wizard that doesn't want to give me rest, but I will make sure I get that rest. You in this house, nowhere. You will live or you will die. Is it that you die? Or you leave this house for me and my husband, because I have to enjoy my marriage. You have to go. Oh yeah. Go. Stop. Get out from here. You're going soon. You are smelly. Listen. Look at you. Get me. Eh? Shut up. Mature neighbors now while we war. Stop crying. I'm not fear. Don't worry. I am waiting for that your useless son to come back. By the time he gets back to this house, both of you will be in the same condition. You have to go. Diala. Look at them. Smelling all. Fear, God forbid. Let me see this now.
Rice. Make sure no eye sees her. By the time she is gone, the gateway will not be open to her. Do not be afraid for whatever you will see.
What do you mean?
Don't worry. When the time comes, you will understand. But make sure no eye sees her, no matter what.
Okay, wise one. No eyes will see her.
Always remember to feed her. Whenever she is hungry, she will alert you. Don't fail to feed her.
Okay, wise one.
Papa, what are you doing on the ground? What is it? What are you doing on the ground?
Your woman forcefully pushed me to the ground.
She pushed you to the ground. What did you do? She cannot just push you to the ground. Eh? What is it again today now?
My son, I did nothing to her. I'm very, very hungry.
You are hungry.
Who is that nurse? Give me. What did you say? You are hungry. Hey, that hunger is going to kill you. I don't blame you. I will feed you animals too so that you will eat. And no fear. And you? Oh, Oga, welcome. No, Nam. Oh, so you came back instead of you to come inside and look for your wife. You know, now about this evil man that has refused to die, Oku. Eh?
Baby, no, it's not like that. I just came back here. I saw him on the ground. I say, what is he doing on the ground? He say that you push him down. I'm just asking him something.
You just came back. You saw him on the ground. And are you supposed to talk to him? Are you supposed to talk to him? Are you not supposed to come inside and speak to your wife first? You don't even know if I've eaten or not. You don't even know if I've taken my bath or not. You don't know anything. Is I talking to your father and Kende went up, yeah? See, let me tell you something that you don't know. You see this man? You see this thing you called father? I am not going to live in the same house with him. So if you know what is good for you and him, take him out of this house since he has refused to die. And I need to now.
See, baby, you know, see, he's still my father. Eh? Don't say this thing, he's still my father.
It's again. Say it again. He is still what? Look at you people. Okay, now. I don't have a father. I am not supposed to talk about my father. Take this fool out of this compound until I can piwonya. Well, I can piwonya. I'm warfare. Inside those walls. I told me
Papa, get off from there now. Get off from there now.
You can never make it. Get inside. As for you, remain here. Remain here, nah. Remain here. You think you can use this one to get me? You lie, yes, Selassie. You lie. I'm warfare. Get most of the what TNC. It's yours. Pick up whoever. Get inside also. No, I can't kill you now. Are you not happy that you're feeding me? Why am I hungry? You did not get water. You went on a meal, you brought food, you did not bring water. Oji. Gensi, listen. There is something I need to discuss with you. Something very important. It is time for you to be a man. You see that wizard you called father? It is time for you to use him for ritual.
Baby.
Yes, now. What are you thinking? Stop looking around. He will not do anything. The man is old, sick, and dying. He is a wizard. Before Jirigito, that is what life is all about. Yetago, the man is going to die soon. It will probably a wasted corpse. It will come without you using him for something meaningful. But that is possible now. You need to use him now. You need to use him now before one can agony. See. Nah. Asam. There is this powerful man that I know. A very powerful man. Woke boku oneme. Yana piabu oku ome. It is Obarankito oku juru n'onu. Omepo ni feni no oku neme. You and I will go and see him. He is going to tell you so many things. Don't be surprised that this wizard is the reason why you're like this. Yes, now.
Oh, baby, he's my father. Huh? He's my father. What will people say?
Now that you are poor, what are people saying? Oji, now that you are wretched, what are people saying? You still care about what people are going to say. So that is your problem now. Otiide, your life like this now is not a problem to you. You are thinking about what people will say. See, let me tell you something. Use this man now. Make money and make me proud. Make money and make me proud. I don't care what people are going to say. Oji, don't let me leave you. Obviously, you have no idea the kind of woman you got married to. You don't know my words. You don't know the kind of woman sitting next to you. That is why you're doing this thing. You will lose me. I will leave you.
Baby, don't leave me. Don't leave me. See, I'm the only son of my father. I'm the only child of my father. I don't know how I'm going to do. I don't know how I'm going to do this thing to kill him.
But there is no point now. Soon he is going to die and you will still look for money to bury him. Now think now. What are you doing? Okay, let me ask you a question. Is it better for you to allow him to die, to waste just like that? And when he dies, you will now start running compound to compound, begging money to bury him. It is better for you to use this man now. Use him now, so that when he dies, you will now give him a befitting burial. If I have an old man like your father, I will use him to do the same thing. Your wife is too wise. Benefit from me. Think and think, think and think right.
But you have a mother now.
Are you mad? If I make easy, how dare you compare this your useless dying old wizard to my mother? My mother is beautiful. My mother is young. My mother is strong. You cannot compare the two. They are incomparable. Don't worry, you will see my mother very soon. You are comparing your old sick dying father to my mother. Don't try this next time. You see a drug ma. Ngwanenya feed ye mo so. Na mo say so. Nya bodo kana mjiri wayo. In fact, go and get water. Get out. Go and get water. Ani egosi mmadu uzo na ezuzu yari. Ana akuziri gi ga jiburu mmadu ejosi na mambo mmadu na aturu ka ị ga-abụ na agayali. Magi ma nna gi useless set of people. Akuche, please stop.
Akuchi, please stop this thing you're doing. You cannot leave your mother like this now. Where are you going?
Obi, I have to go. Can't you see the way my mother speaks to me the way she wants? What have I done wrong to her? A mother like her.
Akuchi, please don't worry. I'll talk to her. She loves you. Please, I'll talk to your mother. Please don't go.
She doesn't love me. Only Mother Mary loves me, and you know this. Can't you see the way your mother loves you and your sister?
Akuchi, please don't go. Please. I promise to talk to her, please. I'll talk to your mother. Don't go, please. Don't go like this.
Obi,
please.
It's too late.
Akuchi! Hey! Akuchi, please don't go! Hey! Akuchi, please don't go! Akuchi!
What is the meaning of this?
Akuchi!
I don't understand it so. So this girl has not come back to this house? But what is the meaning of this? I'll have to go back to the church and check on her.
Papa, what are you doing on the floor? Your friend's phone. No. Papa, get up. Papa, get up. Papa, get up. Now you can't sit down on the floor. Where is the orgy? Anaya, what is it? I should be asking you now. You can allow Papa to sit down on the floor. Sit on the floor? I'm just seeing this now. What happened? Orgy. You are just seeing this and you want me to believe you. No. I'm just coming out now.
Thank you, my son Anayo.
Take it. I'm just saying it.
Oji,
We need to talk.
Talk what? There's nothing to talk about. Eh? Papa, talk about what, you know?
Okay? Okay, you don't know this now. What happened?
He said that he saw Papa on the ground. I said I did not see this one. Oh. Papa did not tell us that he fell down.
Hey! Nam! Chimo! Did you fall down? Imelulalo? Jesus! Hey! Sorry, oh. Ha, bros. God bless you. Chuku goziegi, oh. Nam, bring your car. Let's go inside.
Leave me alone. I don't want to go inside. All I want is food. No, can't you feel? I'm not eating.
You should have said it now.
Papa, you should have said it now. Tell us that you want to eat food instead of you falling on the ground.
There is a goosey soup in the house.
To be as if my wife is not taking care of you. This is not fair now.
Oji, let's talk outside.
I'm busy now. Is there anything I want? Let's go. I have to talk with you.
Hey,
Get rice for Papa. Get rice for Papa.
Bros, thank you very much.
Get rice for Papa.
Yes, I will. Papa, let's go inside. Huh? You are a wizard. In our just also but you did not see me. You see that hunger? It will kill you in this house. Hunger, okay. Idiot.
And what are you? Yes. Yes.
You're talking to me?
Yes.
Since you don't want to die, I will use my hands to send you away from this house. Eh? You're hungry. Please. I just want you to die.
See, let me tell you, you don't get it. You don't get it. I don't like what you're saying.
Yeah, leave that thing. I understand everything. I told you from the onset, this lady is bigger than you. You can't marry her.
Oh, get cuisine that thing. Get cuisine that thing. Why are that carrying work? A woman can never be bigger than a man. I'm a man. Full-fledged man. So what are you saying? If you want to talk, talk. Don't tell me that she's bigger than me. In what way?
Okay, fine. You are right. A woman can never be bigger than any man. But you don't understand where I'm coming from. I'm not talking about sizes or her shape. She obviously knows more than you.
Hmm?
Yes. Or you think I don't know what transpired there? Oji, don't allow this woman to maltreat your father like that. You are the only child of that man. Do I need to remind you? Don't do this to him.
Do what to him? What am I doing to him? See, I don't like the way you... Anna, I don't like this way you always talk. I don't like it. Don't say what you don't know. There's nothing transpired. See, Anna, because. Baba baby first. Yeah? Now let me go and sort out things.
This thing is not right.
What is not right? I don't like the way you are talking. No.
You see the way she's treating your own father.
Oji.
Okay. Oh. Papa Ngwa, your food is ready.
Don't worry. I don't want to eat. I cannot eat this food. This small quantity of food you are giving an adult like me, eh?
Hey! Look at this wizard though. Papa, you are so ungrateful. Papa. You are so ungrateful, you evil man. It is very, very ungrateful. You've been here screaming, shouting that you're hungry, you want food. Now I've brought food to you. You said you don't want to eat. Why do you like provoking me in this house? Eat this food though.
What is it?
You can see me, oh. Eh? It's your father. You were there when he was screaming that he wants to eat. He is hungry, that he wants to eat. Now I've gone to the kitchen and made food. Brought him to eat or some nogeri. What kind of nonsense is this?
Papa, what is it? Well, you're not the one shouting that you're hungry, you're hungry, you're hungry. My wife is giving you food now. You don't want to eat again. Why are you doing this thing now? So that people will think that we are not treating you well.
I don't like what this man is doing to me in this house. I don't like it.
Oji, my son, don't worry. As far as I'm concerned, she's not your wife. You did not marry her. And if you think you did, when? Who and who escorted you? And where? Well, don't worry. One day you have your own children. Eh? For hunger to kill me, impo. Pow! You fail.
Oji. Oji. Did you hear your father? No, did you hear what your father said? Did you hear the things that came out from this wizard's mouth? That I'm not your wife. That you did not marry me. So all this while you've been using me. So Wado, there's no problem. I will pack my things and go back to my parents' house. That is the best thing for me to do now.
Baby, don't say this.
No. That is the best thing I will do for myself now. So Wado.
Don't do this. Give me the food, let me eat. Give me the
No, you cannot eat this food though.
Oh. Papa, this thing, Papa, how am I going to you? How am I going to you now? Eh? She gave you food now. You are shouting that you are hungry, Now she gave you food, you don't want to eat again. Eh? You are in the mother of my. You are the one causing problem. People say now, you're treating my father bad.
The food you want to eat it, and she refused because she know it cannot get you. It can't get to you.
Okay. If you talk about quantity.
Talking of later.
I don't like this thing.
You are the whole adult like me. You are giving me this chicken food. Don't blame me. You really no can blame.
Yeah. You have no idea what you have done for me. Do you know what it means for great Kubunga to answer my prayer? You have no idea. Huh? You are a blessing in disguise. Hello. Hey. Hey. He's dead. She's dead. She's dead. She's dead. Hello, wise one. Guess what? Yes, she's dead. I should get a coffin. Okay. Okay, wise one. Okay. I'll do that right away.
Okay, again. Why are you not moving fast?
Where are you? What do you say you are going to?
I don't understand. We're going to that native man's house. The one I told you about. He's the only solution to your miserable life. Yetago, your father is evil. He is the reason why you are like this. He is the reason why your life is this way. So we need to go to him so he will give us solution to your stupid problems. I cannot continue to live with you like this. I will make you rich. That is my aim. That is my motive. I will take you to him. He will help you and become somebody. Yetago, if you continue like this, Oji, no more entrance to my private part. Oh. Yes.
No, don't say this thing.
I will say it. Oh.
Don't do this now.
If you don't do this now, no more entrance to that place. Yetago?
Don't do this thing now. Don't do this thing. You know, I can't do without it though.
Eh.
I can't do without it.
You can't do without it. Ngwa, Buluzonje.
I don't know the place now.
I will show you. Buluzo, man,
but I don't know the man's house.
Buluzo, okay, you don't want to do it again.
Sorry, I will do.
Oh yeah, Buluzo. Just be going straight and be walking fast. Be walking fast, oh.
No.
Why do you want to have everything in a twinkle of an eye? You have forgotten that success only comes through hard work. One more, not to be wicked on your fellow woman being. Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction. Don't forget a person and all.
This one that you are walking alone on the road, I hope everything is alright.
My son, all is not well. I need your help. I need to eat food. Since morning I have not eaten.
Papa, you mean you've not eaten anything since morning? What about your son, Oji?
It's a very long story. Since my son brought that woman from the city, he doesn't care about me again. My only surviving child that I love very well.
But why now? Why would Oji be treating you this way? Eh? Papa, you said you've not eaten.
Yeah.
Do you want me to buy you food with my money, or do you have money with you?
I don't have any money with me. If you can help me with your money, when I receive my pension, I will pay you back. You know the government is owing us for 8 months now. Please help me, my son.
It's okay, Papa. I'll use my money. You don't even have to pay me back. You are also my father now. Let's go together. Let me take you to where we buy food. Let's go, Papa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't worry. By the time we leave here, you'll be the one thanking me.
I hope it will work.
Shut up. See, don't disgrace me. Remember why we're here. Behave yourself.
Oh, is this my head?
You're stupid.
Now, wow.
Ah, baby, it's you?
Nice meal. Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome. What a long time. You no longer care to visit.
No, I am here now. This is my husband, Oji. He is here to see you so you can help his life. In fact, our lives.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. You're welcome, my son. How are you doing? Yes, you have come to the right place. So what can I do for you?
My own is that I don't have a problem. It's my wife that said we should come here. I don't have any issue.
Oji, what is this? What is wrong with you?
What is it,
But you know the reason why we're here. Are you not a man? Don't you want to be rich again? You're very stupid. Jesus Christ. But you just tell him the reason why we're here. Just tell him.
I want to be rich, sir.
Yes, sir. I see. If you want to be rich, you must first know what you want and believe in it. But I can see you still have that in your mind. Maybe take him out of here and talk to him and let me know whether he's ready.
Nah, Oji is very much ready. Right, Oji? You're ready?
I want to be rich.
He's ready, sir.
Do as I say. And let me know. I'm waiting.
Okay, Nine. I will do that. You follow me. Follow me. What's the meaning of this? What is wrong with you? Are you not a man? Why are you behaving like a child? I brought you this far to mess things up for me.
Sorry, baby, just that.
It's just that what? It's just that what, Oji? Don't do this to me. Don't even do this to yourself. When we get back in there, tell the wise one that you want to use your old dying sick father for money ritual. That is the reason why we're here. Or don't you know? Oji, do not spoil things for me. Oji, this is our only opportunity. Don't spoil this moment.
But wait, are you a regular customer here?
Are you mad? Is that the matter at hand? What kind of stupid question is that? Oh, so you've forgotten, Abby? You've forgotten what your friend said to you? That I will not agree to be your wife or whatever. You've forgotten. Now I have entered into your life. I've come into your life to make you a better man, but I can see you don't want to help yourself. You want me to leave, Abby? That is what you want. I'm trying to bring you up here. You're bringing yourself down. See, I will not remain in this poverty with you. This is our only opportunity. Do not ruin it for us. Do you understand? Let's go. In fact, hold on, I'm coming back. Rubbish.
I'm back. Akuchimo. Akuma. Thank you. If it's like this, the berry I used to be, eh? If it's like this, the berry I used to be, eh? Hey. That is not good, but let there be. Hey! Akuchi, come on! I told you now. I told you I will be coming back with a lot of goodies. Yeah, Irikata. Come. My pata lots of chicken. Plenty. Eh? Akuchi, bring tray. If you are coming, bring tray. Let me dish everything out. I told you. Hi. Wow. Akuchi. Akuchi, please, come. Akuchi, Mama, you're welcome. Akuchi, come on, a lot of goodies. Akuchi, Mama, I'm here. Come.
Mama, can't you see me? Akuchi is standing right here.
What is she waiting for? Akuchi,
Mama, I'm here! Mama, I'm standing here!
Akuchi, what are you doing inside? If I meet you inside here, I will deal with you. Remember you provoked me before I went out. I'm not going to take it easy with you.
She cannot see me.
My mother cannot see me. Mama, see all the things I brought for you.
Mama, I'm standing here! I'm here!
Akuchi!
My mother cannot see me!
If I get you inside there, you will not like what I'll do to you. Akuchi Nelu!
Mama, I'm here!
Akuchi Nelu!
Mama, I'm here!
This girl is telling me.
Mama!
Where is this girl? What is she doing inside?
My mother cannot see me. What have they done to me?
What is going on? Where could she have been to?
Mama, I'm here. I'm standing right here. Look at me. Mama, look at me.
Where could she have been to? Look at our house, our compound. They are not swept since morning. Could it be that this girl is not yet back?
Mama, I'm here! Mama, I'm here!
If this girl is sleeping, I am going to beat you. I will beat you blind.
Mama, Akuchi is here!
Akuchi, come out here. Akuchi!
What have these evil people done to me? My mother cannot see me.
What kind of rubbish is this? Where could she have been to? Akuchi, you want to take my kindness for weakness.
Mama, look at me. Mama, please look at me. I'm here. I'm standing right here.
Akuchi, I am going to so deal with you. I am going to strangle you. I am your mother and you cannot mess me up. You will come back and meet me. You will come back here and meet me. Gawa, Agaracha must come back. I'm beginning to suspect you. I told you you have changed. I told you, I saw it coming. Akuchi, you have forgotten that you make me angry before I left here in the morning. Till now, where have I wronged you? I brought you up in a Christian way. I trained you to be a good child. Okay.
What has these evil people done to me? They don't want me there. And they don't want me here, I swear.
Okay. I'll look for a better king. Come back.
That is it. Your father belongs to a very big native cult.
Jesus.
And if he dies now, you will suffer more. Now do whatever you can and make money.
Hey! Hey! You know there? Did you hear it?
My father was a civil servant. He doesn't believe in all these things. And during the time, there was a very big accident in my family. My father did not even, people were telling him to go to go to native doctor. He said no, that he believes in God. God give it, God take it. We read Bible every day.
Oji.
So my father is not like that.
Oji.
So.
Oji. So what are you trying to say? That the wise one is lying? No, are you doubting his words?
It's not that I'm saying that. It's not that he's actually. It's not that he's lying. But he's not. He might not be telling the truth about my father, but he's not lying.
You're very stupid.
Sorry.
Shut up and let me guide you. You must use him now while he's still alive. Else you will never achieve anything in this life. You will remain like this, and when he dies for nothing, you will suffer for everything. His members will show up and tell you how many cows you will bring for his sacrifice. Be a man and be rich.
You have to be a man. Because me, I will not suffer with you. Hey, Oji, Manta Wafufu, you have to do the needful. Kill this man now. After all, he's going to die at the end of the day. So, kill him now. Wonya kita. Kita kikulokun.
No kita. No belite there. Come asa na ya walk say man no kan fu. No.
Mama, you and Mama Kuchi are just the same. In fact, all mothers are the same. There's no time you go for an event like this and you don't want to pack everything from the occasion and return back. My daughter.
Money was much. And the occasion is for rich people. It's not for any kind. Yes.
No wonder Mama Kuchi sent Akuchi to buy big nylon like this for her when she was going. Although Akuchi did not come back, I went and looked for her everywhere. I did not see her. Mama Kuchi now said she was going to buy it on her way going. Yes.
My dear, I really thank God that I was present. You need to come and see. Food was much. They cooked all sorts of food.
No wonder you carry plenty.
Come and see how money was flying up and down. Let me be honest with you. If not that, because of this CWO uniform, your mother would have, started picking money on this. You don't understand. Money was much.
Thank God for a CWO uniform.
And when I talk like this, they will send me the love money so much. Why will I? What are you saying? Onye sidi na ego adịrị ya mma, ya je ebe nwa je kolibansi. Igotaro. In fact, let me be honest with you. You people should go and make money. Because I would love to be buried the same way that woman was buried. To be honest with you. I was looking at her where she was lying in state. It's just like she was just smiling.
Mama, you're not dying soon. Stop talking about how you want to be buried. Stop preparing yourself for your day.
Mama, oh, who gets it? Welcome, Mama.
Where is Akuchi? I come to see if she's here.
Is she not at home?
Wait, is Akuchi not here?
She's not here. We didn't see her.
Hey! When I finished fetching water, I came back to the house, looked for her everywhere and I did not see her. And I said, okay, let me wait for her. I sat there and slept off. While I slept, I had one dream like that. I woke up and discovered she had not come back. Went to the church. I did not see her there too. I don't understand again.
Akuchi is not yet back home. Since the morning. As I came back now, my house, my compound was not swept. I find out that Akuchi is not yet back since the morning.
Something has to be done.
If I say something now, everybody will start blaming me. If I shout on her, if I beat her, everybody will start saying that, I don't want her to be close to God. Come and see my house. So everywhere was just unkept.
I say you should relax. Don't worry. We know what to do. Relax yourself. Relax your mind.
Now, take this. And swear to me that whatever happens here today, you will not say it to anyone.
What is one? Has he gotten talking with you?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Do what he said. Don't disgrace yourself here. Malia,
Yes, it has gotten to this. Because it is obvious that you have a faint heart. You may go out here now and begin to spill the beans. And if you make me angry now, I make you mad.
Did you hear that?
Baby,
sir?
Warn him. If he wants to be rich, let him coordinate himself. I'm doing this for your sake.
No, I am very grateful. Don't bother yourself. We will do everything you said. He is going to abide to it. Okay? Don't worry. Oh yeah, Weria. When you make money now, you will not remember to tell people how I was pushing you. Take it.
There's no it here.
You will start from somewhere. God forbid.
You guys, you just have to be strong. Let's pray that she has not started seeing any man.
Hey, let's pray. Mua, pray. I should pray that she has not started seeing any man. I will kill her. I swear to God, I will strangle her by my bare hands. Let her try me.
All I know is that we will find her. Wherever she is, we must surely see her. You don't have to talk like that. Mama, Akuchi is still a good girl.
She's still not there. I asked the seminarians and those boys at the parish house, but they said the only time they saw her was during morning mass.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So, Akuchi wants to bring me out to the world. She wants to disgrace me. She wants to put potty on my face. But I will not let her. I will not let her. Look, oh, she will regret ever being my daughter.
Calm down. We will still find her. You know Akuchi is a good girl. My only fear is all these Yahoo boys. Let them not use her for rituals. Obiageli?
Mama?
Tell me the truth. Does Akuchi have a boyfriend?
Mama, she doesn't have a boyfriend though. She's my best friend and she doesn't hide anything from me. If she had a boyfriend, I would have known.
She doesn't hide anything from you. Mbugiwa, partner in crime. Why won't you defend her? Why won't you defend her? Do I even trust you?
Hey.
But listen, let me tell you. Take this thing to your Reverend Father, all the St. Maria, all of you that always take her to the church. Tell them that I am going home now. Let me wait for her till night. I will not, and they will never take it easy to those that I always take her to church. What I'm telling you is the truth.
Take it.
Tell them.
Take it easy. Hey! Ogini here, people. Obi.
Mama.
Obiageli.
Mama.
Obiageli. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
I want you to tell me the truth as your mother. You heard Akuchi's mother, what she was saying. Where is Akuchi? That's what I want to hear from you. Tell me the truth.
Mama, how can you be asking me that kind of a question? If I know where Akuchi is, will I be stressing myself to look for her since morning? Ha! Mama, please, I don't know where she is. Oh.
Then let's pray now. Let's hope that she will be fine. I'm lost too.
Okay, now we start go to
Don't worry, just stop for my head. See your mom. Stop for my head.
You must do listen for you
Hey,
to
help me close. No worry. Help me close like
You sure?
Right.
You must do blood sacrifice.
Close my gate, please.
You know the work I
What
want.
this man come dey do with coffee for his house? I know what many body follow.
Innocent
Just try this for people.
blood of a virgin.
This is our Ebele
Okaro, onye nwere obi na-akpata ego, ndị obi fere azụ, ọ bụrụ ọgụ nne na-agbara nwa.
This is our road. Ebele Okaro.
Blood is involved, blood sacrifice for the cleansing.
This is our road. Ebele Okaro.
You must bury the dead. You must bury the dead. Kimanga, if you melody beggy, emegia organegema.
Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction. Don't forget,
life can only give you what you worked for.
Anayo, my son, thank you very much. You have saved my life today.
Papa, I've told you to stop thanking me now. You are like a father to me. Where is your son?
You mean not Oji? I don't know and I don't want to know. Please, do me this favor. Go inside my room, by my bed there. Get me a pillow. I want to lie down here and rest.
Okay, Papa. All right, let me hurry and put it. Papa, let me be going.
Okay. Thank you. Go well, Thank you very much. God bless you. Oh, what a nice song.
You see this movement that we just made today? Oji, I don't want you to ruin it for me.
Now am I trying to ruin it? I'm doing well. We have gone. We are going back. So the thing is that it's just hard for me to see my father die. He's going to pain me, but I will try my best.
Did you say you would try your best?
Yes, now.
This is not a matter of trying your best. This is a matter of doing it. You have to do it, because if you don't, madness awaits you. Oji, if you don't, alagawagi, you already know. You have to go. So we are going to do everything that the man said we should do. We are going to try as much as we can to be so nice to him, so that villagers will not suspect when he dies. So package yourself, arrange yourself, and do it. I cannot wait for you to be rich, so you can go to my family and marry me properly. You have to go.
Wait. We are going to be me this night.
Don't go there. Don't go there. Money package your way go for ma. If you plan yourself very well, if this thing works, you can area on a daily.
It will work.
Yeah, but Oga, I'm just giving it to you because of love. So he walk, it works. Every night.
I know. That is, I can't do without it. Yeah, how can we go?
Do the needful first. Let's go.
Oji, where have you been now?
That one, is it a question or question and answer? Which one, where have I been? Have you been looking for me, or did anybody tell you that I was lost?
Nobody said you were lost. Just that I went to your house. I did not see you. On my way back from your house, I saw your father on the road. Your father was begging me for food.
You see? When?
This afternoon. I had to take him to the village square to buy him food. I also went to drop him at home. Oji, from the way your father was sounding, he's not happy with you.
So why is he not happy with me? What did I do wrong? My father that my wife here gave food to eat. He said he doesn't want to eat that food. What does he want me to do for him?
It's obvious he doesn't want to eat that food. My friend, let me advise you. It will be bad for people to find out you did not take care of your father very well.
How?
Remember, you are his only child.
Oga, thank you very much. Thank you for your advice. Ngwa. Una, nabazia o.
Oji, I've said my own. Be a man. Be a man. Do the right thing.
I should be a man. Agbanamisi. Kenke I should be a man. Agbanamisi. Anayo, man, how you talk to me? Kenke I should be a man. Do I have breasts? Ebumala.
Oga. Ifugie, have you seen the way your father is disgracing us in this village? Of course you're not a man. No, the boy is right. You are not a man. You're useless. No poor man is a man.
But I don't have hair.
Shut up.
I'm not wearing wig.
You are not a man because you are poor. See the way your father is disgracing us in this village. Ifugie, better use that man. Use that man.
My father get one on the bad. Because of him, I'm not a man.
This is the time to show. See. This is the time to you to show them that you are a man.
Yes, now.
Kill him.
Are you a man?
Are you a man?
Are you a man? I'm a man.
You're not a man.
How come you
no poor man is a man. Every poor man is a woman. Let's go.
Anayo, watch them. My buddies.
Let's go. No problem. Which man? A poor man. A poor man is not a man. You're not a man.
How did you get out from there?
I'm hungry.
Just go back inside. I'll get the food for you. Go, please.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Ella, wise one. She just came out. She's just asking for food. Okay. Hey, you can have this, okay?
Papa, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Papa, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Papa, why not go inside and sleep? This place you are is not good. Come, let's take you inside so that you sleep.
Oh, my son, I'm okay here. I just want to rest and sleep here. Don't bother yourself.
Papa, this is not good now.
Nnam. Papa, I know that you are not happy with us. But we are truly sorry. Oji, right? We are sorry for everything that we've done. But you see today, I will make you a very good food. A very good food that you will eat and enjoy and be strong. Oh? Sorry, oh?
Bother no more, for I have had a good meal outside there. Please, just allow me to rest.
Papa, this thing is not good now. This thing you're doing is not good. Now, we are begging you. Say, come and go inside. You say you cannot go inside. Alright, let's cook food for you. Say you cannot eat. Now, people will think that we are not taking care of you. It's not good now. You say this one, no. You say this one, no. Which one do you want to do now? What do we do now? The first plan has failed though. What do we do?
You know he told us to be nice to him. We need to be extra nice. Like extra nice to him. Because that is the only way he can collect whatever we want to give to him. Etiko, don't worry. We'll pick it up from there. Don't worry yourself. We'll get him.
We have to be very careful. My father has seen him. He's very, very intelligent too. I've got a civil servant. He's very, very intelligent. He's as smart as you think. I don't think that he's old though. But inside him is very, very smart.
Oji, leave your father to me. Leave your father to me. You cannot use the brain of an old wizard to compare the brain of a young, strong girl like me. Yetago, all I need you to do is to always align with me. Get ready at all time. Do you understand? Don't worry. Onya, don't worry yourself.
I get you.
You let me go inside and get money so you can go to the market before Chiji.
Welcome, great son of Kubunga.
Wise one, something must be done. I nearly fainted.
That was your first assignment. You almost spoiled everything you have labored for. I told you not to be afraid of anything you see in that house. She is a ghost, and she must remain like that.
Wise one, you don't get it. The way she behaves is scary. How did she walk out from the room? How did she walk out from the coffin? I mean, I thought she's dead. She's meant to be dead.
She did not walk out of the room. It is her spirit. If you go into the room right now, you will see her lying in the coffin in the state we left her. I have told you not to worry about anything.
What?
Because if you worry, you will spoil the charm. Have it in mind that you are now living with someone in the house. Someone who is ready to communicate with you. You can also do that. In order to do that, you must be strong.
Wow. Is this how the dimension works?
Yes, it's because it's your first time. Ask your brothers and sisters in this brotherhood. They have experienced the same thing. Ask Tabitha, she will tell you. Ask Sister Hedges, she will tell you more about the food for the living dead.
Food? Does the dead eat?
Not that kind of dead, but this kind of dead. Like I said, we have done so much to make sure her spirit does not cross the gates to the living dead. She's neither here nor here. You will have all the chance and the opportunities to make all the money you want to make on this earth. But remember, you must feed her always. I know the food is expensive. I also know you can afford it because you have broken the gates of more money.
Wise one, I must agree to that. Because as it stands now, there's this my Arabian client that is ready to pay $300 million to drop in my account soon.
I told you, more money. Like I said, make sure no one sees that girl in your room. Otherwise, you will lose everything you have acquired.
No, wise one. If it's that one, just leave it. I live alone. No one can see her.
Kneel for prayers. Let me fortify you against her attack and teach you the way to bring her out. I pray for you these days.
Akuchi mama, for n'anya. Akuchi mama, where are you? I'm begging now. I am looking for you. Akuchi mama.
God is seeing it too. If I do anything now, they will say that yes, I'm a wicked woman. Look at what she did to her own daughter.
So Akuchi is not yet back.
Akuchi is not yet back. Oh.
By this time of the day.
Oh. Mama, good evening. Obi, you're welcome. Thank you. You are seeing it. Look at what your friend is doing to me. Where could she be by this time of the day? Where could she be by this time of the night? Tell me. Just to go out there and get me nylon.
Ma, I've been calling her number and she's not picking her calls. I even just tried calling when we were coming here. I noticed the phone was switched off.
She did not go to morning mass with her phone. Her phone is here. And when she came back from the morning mass, I was sitting down here. And from here, I sent her to go and get me this nylon. She barely kept her prayer book here.
This is strange. We have to let the Reverend Father know. We have to inform him.
No, that will be in the morning. If I go for morning mass in the morning, I will have to narrate the whole thing to the Reverend Father. I'll let him know.
Let him know that he must do something. Let Reverend Father do something. Because if anything, if I did not see my daughter tomorrow, I will not take it easy with the church.
Hey.
They will know that I am a mad woman.
Ugeze, you don't have to talk like this. Remember, you're a member of CWO. The church did not send her. The only thing we have to do is to wait till tomorrow morning. If she fails to come back, then we can report to the police or to the vigilante members. That's the only thing we will do.
I am saying this because every day to church, something is there. I've been watching both of them. They don't want to say the truth.
Mama Akuchi is my best friend. I can swear for her. She's not like that at all. We are not like that. Akuchi does not even talk to any man or even say anything to anybody. I'm just wondering where she went to today. What kind of thing is this now?
This one.
Why do you want to have everything in a twinkle of an eye? You have forgotten that success only comes through hard work, one more. Not to be wicked on your fellow human being. Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction. Don't forget, life can only give you.
Do you know that Papa is sleeping in his room right now? He locked the door, unlike before.
Huh?
Yes, I'm telling you. Before they baby.
Wait, Papa's door is locked.
Very much locked. He's sleeping there, snoring.
Give him the key.
He is sleeping, he locked it. We can't go inside now because of our plans.
Hey!
Smart.
Oji, if I speak to you, listen. If I tell you anything, don't doubt it. This man is a wizard. This man is a wizard. He's a wizard, a simper. No, he is not. He is just an intelligent man. What do you call this one now? No, tell me now, what do you call this one? Oji, Wagudum, has Papa ever locked his door in this house?
At all.
Good. So why today? Why today of all day?
I'm surprised.
That man is nothing but an ancient wizard. Mona Agwagi. Because he knew that we were about to do something bad against him.
You are right.
This is not the first time he's doing it. Remember, he refused to eat that food because he knew something was inside.
You are right. You are right.
See.
How do we get him now?
Oji.
My father don't want me to.
Oji, hapoku. Ogbodi Ramusu. Okay for Shege, I will show that man Shege in this house. Makachuku, I will show him Shege. So what the wrong?
My father don't want me to succeed. He doesn't want to die for me. He don't want to die for my sins. For me to be rich.
Eze. I'm happy as only Oji na watch your door.
Baby, leave him. You know you have fun. You know you promised me this night now. Promise me this night.
In fact, forget it. I told you, you can only smell it, but if okay for him to feel it, never. You cannot feel it until you do the needful.
But I'm trying now. I'm with you. All the plans we are making now to kill my father. I'm not part of it. I'm with you now. And we will succeed. We will remain family. Please, let's do this thing. We're going to do it.
Shift. If you beat it, stand up. Come this side. Drink it.
Maybe this thing again. You know that anytime you give me this thing, after drinking it, if you don't do it, will be like this.
That's the idea.
But I will not sleep now. No. Hi.
Okay. Make a human being need help. Okay, you don't want to do.
No, I will drink. No. No.
Baby, drink more, eh? Drink more, just little. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's it. Where is it going? No. Try to coordinate. Hey, wow. See, as you've taken this thing now, it is good. You need to allow it to, work on you so that you can work on me. That's how it works.
Okay.
Today of my.
Come and eat. 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 We'll go 1 month, we'll go from just the car.
Ojiginanja, the idea. I want to see you suffer. I'm enjoying the way you're dying. This is the idea. I want to make you suffer.
Maybe this thing is not it. My lizard is
You
not
will not do it.
Hi.
You will never enter here. Or is it possible until you assure me that you will use your father and do the needful?
I will use my father. Baby, me and you, we have been in this thing together now. What the plan we are making to kill my father? We're not together. Eh? You need music here and my nazo. Baby, be Christiano, baby, please no. Anyhow, it is all phone, just the car. Oh, phone, please, baby, I'm dying. No, don't do this to me.
What can I was your coso?
Don't do this to me, baby.
Nena, wine is a good mook. Eh? Wine is good. You've not seen anything, no. I like the way you're feeling the pains. I like the way the thing is standing and it's so on fire. Yet, there is no hole to plug.
Baby, don't do this. This thing is, my lizard is nodding too much.
Let it
keep nodding. I went to the bathroom.
Huh?
I went to the bathroom.
Oji, if you try it, if you dare it, in 1 year, Baruru, you know now, it's over between us. I want you to suffer. I want you to feel the pains. I want to frustrate your life this night. That is why I gave it to you. It's an amount of money.
I'm doing to do anything you want.
Will you use your father? Eh?
You said?
Will you give me your hand?
Hi, baby, what are you doing?
I am going to ask you this question again and you will answer me. Makandogi. Oji, will you use your father?
I will use my father.
Good. Do you know what you just did? You've sworn with the most dangerous thing in life. Yes, Oji, if you fail, if you do anyhow, you die.
Hey, baby, I will not do anyhow. Now I'm with you now.
I don't care again, no. You've done the needful. So, come and do.
Hey.
Mama, do you want you open? You don't go from here back.
Stress.
Mama, please let us go inside. It's late. Let's go inside.
My daughter, you have to go. Go home. I will be fine.
No, Mama. I cannot leave you here. And my mother has told me to stay with you tonight. Please, let us go inside. Akuchi will come back. Please.
I will not forgive the church. I will not forgive the church. I will not forgive them.
I understand, Mama. I am very sorry. She will come back. Sorry. She will come back. I really can't tell where she went to, but I'm certain she will come back. I'm very sure.
By this time, Akuchi don't go out like this. Or has she been kidnapped?
God forbid.
Who will kidnap a poor village girl? I don't like this. I don't just like what is going on.
Mama, it's okay. Let us go inside, please. Let's go inside the house. Akuchi will come back. And God forbid, she has not been kidnapped. She will never be kidnapped. Eh? Let us just wait till tomorrow. Please. Please.
Akuchi mama, where are you? I'm begging off. I am looking for you.
Maybe the sweetness is too much.
How many times have I told you to stop this nonsense?
You want to kill me? You know that anytime I come, body will do me. Hey.
That serves you right. At least now you will never ever leave me. And you will be under me.
Hey, baby, I'm under you now. You know that I'm under you since now. Eh? I can't wait to make money and take care of you. Hi, the sweetness is too much. I don't want to leave you for another man. Oh.
Then you have to look for a way and use your father.
Baby, but I'm trying. I'm going to use my father, you know it. Eh? What's come to us? If we try our best to use my father and he did not work for us, I know what to do. I'll go to my friend Arinze, my classmate in the city. The guy is very rich, bastardly rich. He's so much rich that if you see his money is smelling. I'm telling you. See, I've gone to his house before. He did not want to help me. I left.
Are you for real?
I'm telling you, he's so much rich. I'll go to him and tell him that I want to make money. That guy is so rich. The day I went to his house, come and see house.
Hey! ArrowsDreams International.
Jesus. You mean this is your house?
This is one of my houses in this town. Very soon I'll be done with my hotel.
You own a hotel. You building a hotel. You building a hotel. Hey! Where do you people see this money? Where are they see this money? Where are they see this money? Hey!
Well, there is money everywhere, actually. It just depends on how, you're willing to sacrifice, and money is nothing. Depending on how you see money.
I don't see money. Eh? See, let me tell you. I have the mind for sacrifice or anything. As if I don't have, I will go and borrow.
Look, I don't understand the kind of sacrifice you're talking about. I'm talking of sacrifice of hard work, dedication.
Wow. I'm dedicated. Eh? Because hey! You see a Jumi. Arizona!
Let me get you something to drink.
You
want whiskey or
whiskey? No.
Oji, like I said, there's nothing there in making money. Okay, the only thing you have to do is doing the right thing at the right time. Patience, perseverance, hard working. And if you keep doing it, who knows? Before you know it, one thing from nowhere will just click and money. Yeah, that's how. Just one connection. You start making money.
I have been telling myself that I want to be rich. I've been doing what I'm supposed to do and when I'm supposed to do it. Yet money did not come.
I doubt, because once I used to see your post on Facebook. I see you like women. You cannot be successful when you don't have money. Avoid women. Okay? Or you have to pursue the main thing. Then when the money comes, you can start. You want to carry 15 in one night, you're free. Because I see your post. Every now you're posting farewell, you're holding there, you're doing that. I'm asking myself, where is Oji getting money to maintain all these women?
I am Atam. You know that I am only son. The only surviving son of my poor father. And I want to get married. All the things here, I'm going to hear them, I'm going to Chobo Gabu. That is what I've been doing. It's not that I like a woman. But if you want me to stop, I will stop.
You cannot, those girls can never be serious with you. Is it not these our girls that I know? Girls of these days. They can never be serious with you without money. So if I were you, I will concentrate on making money. Make that money first. They will be there. In fact, they smell money. Once you're rich, you see them, they will know that money has come.
I think you are right.
It's not a thing. I'm right.
Don't worry, I will leave them. Once you help me now, I will leave woman. Because I want to marry. But if you tell me to leave them, I will leave them.
Which one are you doing? You want to marry, tell me to leave them. Which one do you really want me to do for you?
If you can give me money now, you know, you go no money in him, I'll go 5 million, I'll go 300,000. Any amount, can let me use it and go and marry. They say that if a man doesn't have money, he should look for what? Wife. That children brings blessing. What a taste you queer. Children there with a blessing.
So you want to marry? Okay, no issue. I see that the women, they are your problem. Let's go clubbing. Let's go clubbing. Yes, I think we are not doing anything here now. I will make sure I bring 3 women for you, pay them to take care of you. Okay? All bills on me.
No. This is not what I want. This is not what I want, please. The money you give the girls, give it to me. I want to make it. I don't want club. Somebody that will cook for us.
Well, I stay here alone. Just me alone here.
In this big house? You stay here alone?
Yeah. But sometimes my sister comes around, but I just decided that, look, I just want to be here alone. So I bought her a house somewhere in the city as well. So it's just my cook that comes sometimes to cook for me. And today is not one of those days. So that's not, we are going out now. When we go out to buy food.
Wow! You bought your sister a house? What am I not talking? You have made it. Hey!
I didn't doubt it. I've made it actually.
You have made it?
Yes, I've made it.
Kaja Club. About kilometer. Let's go. No one if no law. No one if no law. No one if no law. No one if no law.
What are you doing?
When I come to salary back. I said, hallelujah. When you are loyal to rich people, they will have the money to help you. You are my guy.
I don't like my guys coming here to do these things for me. It makes me feel like I'm using them. I want to need, okay?
I say, let me do this thing. What am I doing? There's no point paying anybody when I'm here now. Let me do this thing. In fact, let me even live in your house from now. I'll be doing this thing so that you stop paying that woman. You are paying. No need now.
What going on?
So you have somebody like Oji.
Don't worry, leave that one. I don't want to live with anybody. You see the way I'm living? Coming back home, opening my door, microwaving my food if need be. I like my peace like that. Okay? Then, you don't need to do all this. You already told me I should help you, right? I'll help you. You need the ABI here now. I form cleaning. Don't do it. Okay? Leave it. I will send 100,000 to your account first. Then we will take it up from there. Oh?
It's not about money. Eh? Remember, I'm preparing the answer na school.
My dear. Change. Go and change. Let's go. There's no time.
Where am I going to? If I leave this fine house, where am I going to? Eh?
Go and change this man.
Plastic in the house. What's a plastic? Why not go? All
the guys, go and dress up. Let's go.
Go
and dress up. Which side are you going?
So that is it. If you see do you know that night we went to club? That guy spent 2 million for drinks.
How come you did not introduce this guy to me?
No, he doesn't like people to come to his house. He lives alone. He stays alone. Nobody visits him. Nobody. He just only a cleaner that come every weekend to clean house and go. He's very rich. Do you know that he told me that he bought his sister a house and a car, free dash. But anytime I need him, I need his help, or I call him, he will just give me 100,000 or 70,000. Can you imagine? Big boy like me.
You are a big fool now. How can he teach you how to fish? You went to a rich man's house. You did not even package yourself. You did not package well. That was why he did not help you. You didn't prove to him that you have the mind to make money. That was why he did not help you. Rather, he was giving you peanuts. Instead of him to teach you how to catch a fish, he is giving you fish. Look into that boy's life. You will see that that boy used either his father or mother for ritual.
You're right. It will be true.
Oh, I see if when I talk to you, you listen.
That guy is money.
I am too wise.
His money is smelling.
And you expect him to help you just like that. You see why I hate you? You see why you are so... Like, if I see you sometimes, I feel like strangling you. You have an old wizard who is about to die soon. And you just want to sit and allow him to die just like that. Just to waste.
Baby, don't worry. See what I'm going to do. Once come to us, I will go to his house. And I will show him that I'm ready to make money. I will tell him that I have collateral. That I have my father that is old. I want to use him to make money. Instead, I will give my father to him to use. Okay, and give me some money.
You will give your father to him to make money on your behalf. Your hand, you cannot use it well.
No, he's already into ritual. Then I will give him my father.
Shut up!
He will give me 70%.
You want to give your father that you want to use and make money to another man to help you and do. When you talk at all, sometimes you should just listen to yourself before you open your mouth and talk.
He will collect 30% and give me 70% as the owner of the father.
Okay. See, next time, if you want to go to his house, I will package you.
Okay.
It's either I package you or I will go with you. So that when he sees you, he will know that you are ready to make money.
You're right.
Let her go. But you're not going to give him your father. You will use your father and make money yourself. You
have a point. I will not give him my father. I will tell him to show me their distance. Let me go there and use my father myself.
That is it.
Yes, I will use that code on my father. So that, yes, now, if my father refuses, I will use that code and hit him.
Anyhow you want to kill him. My own is make money.
You see, I'm going to make money and make you proud because it's obvious to me that you're the only woman that loves me. You're the only woman that wants me to make money.
Baby, you're the only person that I love now. You're the only man that I love.
No.
The only man that gives it to me very well.
Don't worry. I will last. Instead of my father to fail, I will collect 70% on his head. Iba,
you will not give him your father. You will use your father yourself. Which one is giving? God, I hate you. I just hate you. Are too your brain doesn't work right.
Oh no, I came out. Let him take my father now.
I take. I don't know. All I want to
70%.
Shut up. You are lucky you've taken this night. If not, you will not enter here. You get out. Stupid guy.
I will use that code for my phone.
I want to see my daughter, a Jeremy from Mama. This is time for her to go to morning mass. Time have reached for her to go to church. Where is Akuchi? Akuchi Mama, my only daughter. Akuchi Mama, where are you?
Where is the
Mama Dibe, one day, you got for back. Mama, wake up, Mama Dibe, please. I'm feeling bad.
Good morning, Mrs. Ugeze. May the peace of our Lord Jesus Christ be upon you.
Father, no. There's no peace anywhere here. Mama, I don't have peace. Where is my daughter?
Mama, please calm down. Please. He's here to see you. Please.
Get him seat. Father, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
My heart is broken. I am devastated. I don't even know what I will do. I don't know where I am. I am totally confused. My daughter is nowhere to be found.
Mrs. Ugeze, I understand everything. But you need to calm down. Do not act as if you don't have faith. Believe in our Lord Jesus Christ and everything will be fine. At least I am here now. So calm down. Okay? Calm down.
Mama, please, it's okay. Akuchi will be back. She will come back. Trust me.
Hey! Teresa, Teresa, only you give me money. Papa, good morning. Papa, how was your night? How is your health? Well, I'm still surprised that you still regard me as your father. Papa, why are you talking like this now? Why are you talking like this? Are you not my father? Once you have fathered me, you cannot unfather me again. You're my father. Since you brought that girl into this house, both of you have been maltreating me, behaving as if I am your problem, which you know I am not. Secondly, me, your father, after all these years, because of this girl, that you say you want to marry or you already married, well, oh wahala, we see where you end up, both of you will end up. Papa, stop talking like this now, stop talking like this. When you talk like this now, you make it look as if I'm a bad person.
Oh.
Eh?
Papa, you are awake. Good morning, sir. Otutu Oma. Kekime, how are you?
It is well.
Papa, talk to me now. Eh? I want to prepare intercontinental breakfast for you. English breakfast.
Me?
Yes, Papa. I want to be treating you well now.
See, don't bother yourself. I will go outside and eat. Eh? I'll go outside and eat. Papa, how can you say this? Can't care that you go outside and eat. My wife wants to cook food for you. Say you want to go outside and eat. Inside food and outside food, which one is better? Let me tell you one thing. Both of you want to kill me. But one thing for sure, it will not work for you.
Hey! God forbid! God forbid! Baby, what appear?
Papa, don't say this thing.
Baby, what appear? What
Papa,
appear?
me, your son, wants to kill you.
Ow! Papa, don't say things like this now.
So you think I'm a illiterate? I'm on common sense. But don't worry, let me go and eat. I will come back later.
Papa, no!
It will not work for you.
Papa, where are you going to?
To go and
Papa, come back now. Let me make intercontinental breakfast for you.
Papa?
Intercontinental English breakfast.
Papa, don't eat outside though.
Make it and eat.
Don't eat outside though.
Hey, you come outside or there.
Don't eat outside though. Come on, we give okay, now you depend me outside. Ha! Hello. What does I say, man? Eh? I told you my father is very intelligent and smart.
How do we get this man?
I don't know. What do we do now?
Hey! Nah. I need to think.
You need to think and think fast too. Come on and can I need money to take care of you.
We will do all we will do. We must not stop praying for her. She will come back. I can tell you that.
Oh,
remember the Bible says that in all things we should give thanks to God. So let us not lose hope in Him.
Father, I've heard you. I've heard all you said. But my daughter never slept outside this house unless I sent her to my sister's place. Your sister? Hello, Georgina. Georgina, it's Akuchio. It's Akuchio. Akuchi has been missing since yesterday. She's nowhere to be found. I've been calling your number, but it was not going. Her phone is here in the house. No. She came back from morning mass yesterday. I sent her to get me nylon outside. And since then, I've not set my eyes on her. I don't know where she is now. I don't know. In case you see her, please, her phone is at home. Okay, you will call back. Okay. Okay.
Father, what do we do now?
It's already 24 hours now. We will make announcement. We will inform the police and the local vigilante. But I promise, she must be seen. So don't worry.
Hey! God, why me? God, why me? Why me? Why me? My only child. Why me? Why me?
It is alright. It is alright. Let us stand to our feet and say prayers.
Prayers? No. No. What happened to the prayers that my daughter have been praying all this time? All the Ekene Maria. All the, oh my goodness. Hey.
Geze, calm down, let us pray first. After we talk about that one.
Mrs. Ugeze, I understand how you feel. But you need to put yourself into check to avoid blasphemy. God is not asleep. He's not. All she needs right now is our prayers.
Yeah.
It's our prayers. Even if she is in the hands of kidnappers or ritualists, God can still rescue her through our prayers.
Amen.
So it is prayers we need to pray. Okay? So do not worry. My promise to you is that she will return.
Amen.
So let us all stand to our feet and pray for her.
You girls, let us pray. So after we discuss and pray about it. But now let us pray. Oh.
It's all right. In the name of God the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Dear Lord, we thank you.
I'm hungry. Give me food. I'm hungry. Give me food. I'm hungry. Give me food. I'm hungry.
Odera. Odera, what are you doing here now?
What sure is what am I doing here? Is this place not my brother's house?
Odera, you can't be here.
Brother, open the gate. I want to use the toilet and press, please.
It's not like you're not free to come to my house, but I'm only saying that at least you would have called me. Eh? How about if I had traveled?
You didn't travel. You are here now. You didn't travel.
Why didn't you call me?
But you are here.
Look, it's not like I'm here.
Must I call you before I come to your house?
Yeah, of course. Because as you see me now, I was just about to drive out.
But you are here. You didn't go out again. You are here.
So what?
I'm pressed. I want to use the toilet. Please.
No, if he's using you can't. Unfortunately, you can't.
Can't.
As I speak to you now, we just fumigated the house. I was just about to leave to the hotel to sleep.
Brother, I want to use myself. I'm pressed. I want to use myself. I want to use the toilet. What are you saying?
You cannot use...
I cannot use the toilet. Why?
Odera now. Okay, just wait. Go, come and use the guest. Come and use the guest toilet. At least you tell me now that you're coming. Okay? Come and use this one here. This girl will put me in trouble. Why did she come? Huh? For the sake of this kind of things, I bought her a house. Why would she come here without calling me? Huh? What kind of problem is this?
What do you say that is going on here?
Let's go first. Let's go outside.
What is it now?
I want to go out. I'm suffocating.
I'm hungry. Give me food.
What is it now? Why are you pushing me away?
Just go. Not like I'm pushing. Just go home. I don't want this. Just go, please. Please.
Why are you pushing me away?
What do you mean, why am I pushing you away?
Why didn't you perceive anything in there?
Look, listen to me. Whatever I tell you to do, that you must do. I am your elder brother. What do you mean? What do you mean you didn't perceive anything there? And by the way, don't ever come here without calling me. Don't try that rubbish again. If you want to come here, you call me on the phone.
I have a 1-week program. That's why I'm not here with my car.
That's why you're not here with my car. What's the business?
With my own car.
I said call me on the phone before coming here. That's what I'm saying.
But I'm here already.
My friend, go to the hotel. I'll send you money to stay in the hotel till you're done with whatever program you're here for.
Brother, I don't understand you. Why are you doing this? Is it because of a woman or what? Is there any woman in there?
Did you hear what I said? I said you should go to a hotel. If it's this White Oak very close by, you stay there. Go. If I tell them I sent you there.
I don't have money for a hotel.
Which one is you don't have money? Do you know who you're speaking to? What is money? I'm asking you, what is money? How much is money?
Brother, money is money.
Just go. I will send money to White Oak. Is that clear? Start going now.
I'm not leaving this place till I receive that money. I'm not leaving.
You're not leaving until you receive the money. Stand here. Let me get my phone and make transfer. Stand here. Don't move. Don't make a move. Stand here. I'm coming. I said you don't. I said don't move. Don't move. Stay here.
I'm here. I need food. Brother, who is that? I knew it. I knew it that a woman is in there. I knew it.
The woman is in where?
Inside your house.
Come, don't let me become dangerous with you. Don't let me become dangerous with you. My friend, check your account. I'm sending you the money now.
Because of a woman, you are sending me out of your house. Because of a woman.
My friend, check your account. I've sent the money. I've sent the money. Start going to the hotel. I sent you 1 million.
So because of a woman, you are sending your only sister out of your house, right?
I sent you 1 million now. Won't you say thank you? No, thank you. Come here now. Don't let me force you. Everything you like force. Just go first. When you check in, you call me.
What is happening? What is going on with my brother? Since my brother hit money and bought me a house, he has been strange to me. I can't even spend the night in his house. Now he's sending me out. Well, one day I must find out what is happening. I need food.
See, you don't listen. Okay? You're too stubborn. You're too stubborn. You're lucky I cannot punch you now.
I need food.
Eat. 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 Now. Eat. 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 I command you, eat. 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 Oh yeah, eat. Eat. Food. Say you're hungry. I brought food. So you eat.
It's okay, Ugeze. It's fine. The vigilante men will find her. You hear? He is not working so.
Vigilante?
Yeah.
Vigilante. What kind of problem is this?
It is fine.
What kind of problem is this?
Stop talking like this. Eh? Obiageli will be with you. You cannot stay in this house alone. All alone, Biko. Onem. Just calm down. Calm down.
I want my daughter back.
Here.
My sister told me that she's coming to stay with me. But she wants to take permission from the man she's working for. So,
don't worry.
She's coming today.
Don't worry, my friend.
Oh. Mama, I've told the vigilante man. He said he's coming.
Okay, I told you. They will be here. Onne. Wherever your daughter is, she will be fine. I'm very sure of that. But you have to eat. You've not eaten since morning. I don't like this, so Biko. Let me wrap when Ukubana. Biko nnem. Yeah? Obi, please go and get food for her. Oh?
No. Obi, come back. Don't bother yourself. I'm okay.
You are not okay, my friend. You are not okay. Eh? Stop crying, please. I don't like these tears.
Mama, please don't worry. Akuchi will come back.
I hope you are hearing what I'm saying.
Go inside. Go inside. I command you, go inside. I command you, go inside. Great Kabunga. Great Kabunga. I command you, go inside. Go inside and stop proving stubborn. I'll have problem with you. Don't let me have problem with you. Being stubborn will not save you. Kindly go inside. Okay. You want to dare me? Good afternoon. What are you doing here?
Sir, I want to clean.
Clean where? Come here first. Come on. You're not supposed to come today now. You're supposed to come tomorrow, which is Saturday, not today.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing here?
My sister called me from the village.
Okay.
She sounded somehow, so I want to travel to the village. I don't know if I'll be back tomorrow. So I said, let me come and clean today. So that when I travel. And also to let you know that I want to travel, sir.
I see. That's thoughtful of you. But that's no problem. You can travel and know what's going on. Huh? I hope there's no problem.
I don't know. When I get there, I will know. Well, let me just clean.
No, don't worry. Clean where? Calm down now. It's fine. You can travel to the village. Take all the time because there may be something important they're calling you for, right? So just travel and take all the time. That's no problem. I can take care of the cleaning and other things. As a matter of fact, I'm going to send you I'm going to pay you up front. Say a year's salary. Okay, because this village you're traveling to, there may be a problem that we need money to solve. Don't you think so?
Sir, 1 year salary?
Yeah, why not?
Sir, did I do anything wrong? Please.
No, sir. Come on. No, you didn't do it. The only thing wrong you would do is me asking for my key and you take time to give it to me. Yeah, this is my key, right?
Yes,
this is my gate key. No, you didn't do anything wrong. I just feel, why not? Maybe if you get there now, they'll be asking you to bring money for Umada, bring money for, Wadi and all those kind of
So let me send you. Let's go. I'm sending it. I'm transferring it.
Sir, if I've done anything wrong, I'm sorry.
Come on. Don't you know me? Huh?
I'm
It's because you're traveling. Okay? It's fine. You didn't do anything wrong. I'll send you the money. Huh? Just check your account. You get it in the next 1 minute now, okay? It's fine. It's fine. Jesus.
What could this man be hiding? He doesn't want me to clean. The whole Malga wants to clean his house by himself. It's a nice man, sir. He said he'll give me money.
Baba, I don't know what else to do. That man cannot be killed easily. You just have to use force on him.
No, you will not kill him by force. Otherwise the ritual will not work. So find another way.
What other way, great one? What other way?
Use your husband. Become rich on your own and enjoy your life.
No. No, great one, I can't use my husband. I can't. I mean, it's the only man that satisfies me in bed. I know he's not my class, but I can't leave him.
You will not kill him. He will still be alive. But his life will be empty. He will still satisfy you. I will tell you what to do if you still want it.
Wise one. Can I at least think about this?
Sure you can. Do whatever you can, but be fast about it so that you don't lose it all.
You can never be faster than your shadow. One day more. If a bunny metere no wa, isiki gejibulu. Okwangwalaga, check it off my memegia. If he melody beggy, emnegia, organegema. Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction. Don't forget, life can only give you what you worked for. You have to know this. One more. Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction. Don't forget, evil you do today, we fight you tomorrow.
I think this man is correct. Ochi is already a fool. I mean, what is he doing for me other than to satisfy me in bed? He's a foolish man. I still do not even know how to present him to my mother as my husband. My mother would just laugh at me. But I know my mother. If Oji is rich, she will not care. I think I have to use him. Yes. If by tomorrow we are not able to use his father, I will use him. I don't care. All I care about is to be in money and still have him by my side, obeying me, answering me, and then satisfying me. That's all.
If he melody beggy, emnegia, organegema. Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction. Don't forget, life can only give you what you worked for. You have to know this. One more. Desperation for money can only lead you to destruction.
Sister? Sister? Auntie, welcome. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Who is my sister? She's inside. Let me go. Oh, yes, please. Sister. Okay, she's gone. She is gone.
It's okay. Akuchi is missing since yesterday.
It's okay, sister. Come.
Hey!
Sorry.
It's okay. Don't cry.
Hey! Akuchi, where are you?
She will come back.
Since yesterday, I have not set my eyes on my daughter.
Don't worry, we'll find her, eh? It's okay. I had to come as soon as you called. My husband sent his regards. Don't worry, okay?
Akuchi, where are you? Where are you, my daughter? The vigilante man just left here. They are requesting for money to start searching for her.
That won't be a problem. The man I work for, he promised to pay me. Even though he has not sent it, but don't worry, eh? He will send the money and I will pay them, so we'll look for her, okay? We'll find her. It's okay. No, Obi, thank you so much for being here for us. Thank you.
You're welcome, Auntie. It's nothing. Akuchi is my best friend. We are hoping and praying that she comes back.
Amen. Thank you.
Obi.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mama.
Georgina, I know how it is in your family. I know what you're going through. I did not expect you to come and start spending unnecessarily.
Sister, that's not important. The most important thing right now is to find my niece, eh? Don't worry, I will pay the money. Let's find her. And I know we'll definitely find her, okay? It's okay. So, that's more important now.
Hey! Akuchi, where are you?
It's okay. She'll come. Don't worry.
Akuchi, where are you?
Ah, no, sister, you eat.
Where are you?
I'm going to surprise you.
Okay, Michegezule. You will surprise who? You will make who proud? You fell out there, Maggie. You fell out there. You're not ashamed of yourself. What you were asked to do, you couldn't do it. Itukula and Eba, Dikeh, no Jena, you will make you. Who are you going to make proud? Papa's gonna me will.
Baby, see, calm down. There are so many ways to kill her.
Which other way? Oji, which other way? You need to wait to check and okay. Yeah, on a child they care put a canal, who can have an go do. Eh? Oduana on the also go so. What is your problem? Simple task. A very simple task. Kill your father. Use him for money ritual. A sign of all government. You couldn't do it. See, let me tell you something. I am giving myself from now till tomorrow. If you did not do what is right, Oji, I will take my own decision. I say,
Papa, good afternoon. Papa, good morning. Sorry. Papa, good evening. Papa, how are you?
Papa, good afternoon.
Were you inside the house, Papa?
Papa, we want to have a talk with
you. Yes.
Please come and sit in the middle.
Talk for peace.
Yes.
Oh, young man. Where did you bring this girl from? Papa, Papa, that is not the question for you to ask. Papa, see, we want to talk to you. Let us make peace. Yes. Live in peace, for the sake of peace.
That is what we want to discuss with you, Papa.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Don't worry, we shall see.
Hey. Papa, I'm talking of peace, you're talking of sea.
We shall see. Don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Come on. We shall see.
Papa, where are you going to?
I'm coming.
Papa, don't go to Red Sea.
Don't worry. I'm coming. I'll come.
Let's live in peace and make peace for the sake of peace.
I see. We shall see. Don't worry yourself.
Hey!
Ayada.
Hey!
Ayada.
Hey! Chimo!
Wahala.
Oji! Are you sure this man did not hear everything that we said?
He heard it too.
Hey!
Hey! I did not know that he's inside. I do not know where he come back to the house.
Kebonaga, where is he going?
He said sea, going to the sea.
Are you sure this man is not going to expose us?
No, he will not try it.
Hey!
Calm down, I know my father. If you try it, I need money to take care of you. So forget it. You have to have money to get me. Ndobodo gene. Ndobodo be ebe I will use Ndobodo too. I want to make money and make you proud. That's what I'm telling you now. I'm too much. Don't worry, I will make it.
This man is a wizard.
He's not a wizard, he's intelligent.
He is not intelligent.
He's intelligent.
Mokem, there is difference between wizard and being intelligent.
They are the same.
Oji, Sebapo.
No, it's not about Sebapo. It's about making the money.
Get out from here. It's not impossible.
Sorry. Let's make peace and live peace for the sake of peace.
Sebapo, sorry. This man had everything, oh. He had everything, oh.
Hi, wise one. Wise one, I don't know how to thank you. What would I have done without you? This girl has proven so stubborn. Very, very stubborn.
Huh? She is a young girl. Her spirit is stubborn because she does not like the way she died. We have to give her some time.
But wise one, how do we do this now? Because my Arab client will be coming in town very soon, which means I will not be in this house. How will I feed her?
That is not a problem. But as long as you put that in the middle of the room, she will not leave this compound. After all, no one is coming here.
But what if she moves? She can go out. It's possible.
Nobody will see her. She might see people. You know how ghosts moves.
Okay. What if she talks and people hear her? Because when my sister came, my sister heard her voice. My sister heard her calling for food. Yes. I need food. My sister heard that.
Don't worry. When you go, let me know. Even if you cry, nobody will come into this compound. Even if they do, they will not see her. So, get some drinks and let us celebrate.
Okay, wise one. Thank you. Thank you once again. I really don't know how to thank you.
Papa, please, let me go. I beg you.
Since you and my son want to kill me,
No, Papa, it's your son. It's Oji that wants to kill you, not me. Papa, please, I beg you. Because when he came back, the altar, it's Oji that wants to kill you. Papa, set me free. Papa, please, don't kill me, Papa. Oh, please, don't kill me. Please. It's a dream. It's a dream. Hey. Why does he want to kill me? Why does this man want to kill me? No. I need to see to this. I need to do something about this. What kind of dream is this? Oji. Where is Oji? Where is he? Where is he? Oji. Oji. Where has he gone this morning? Oji. Where did he go? Oji! Where has this boy come from? Oji! Papa, you are awake. How was your night? You are awake.
What is good about the money? You evil woman. You must leave my compound now. Or else when I come back, you will see what I will do to you.
Papa, what did I do to you? Eh? It's too early for you to call me evil now. Papa, Biko, have you seen Oji this morning? I've been calling out for him. He didn't answer.
Eh? As if I'm his keeper. Well, just wait for me when I come back. You will see what I do to you. Don't worry, just wait for me. You will hear it. Loud and clear, you will hear it.
Wait, so Oji just woke up and left this compound without even talking to me, without telling me where he was going to. So what, he will come back and meet me in this house. Meanwhile, let me even call him on the phone.
Madam, we don't search finish. Me, my boss don't work out finish. So we don't see, but the get information we get for Amajeke Junction. Say you get one day where the car knocked down there on Thursday morning. So, but we no confirm them. We don't see. Now tell us.
That the same Thursday morning. Please, did they see her face?
We don't see the face. So they not tell us say they see the girl face. The information still tell us say they, as the guy knock him down, he still carry and go come out. Maybe the hospital carry and go. But as the matter don't be, I go suggest we now involve the policemen so that they will still help us join.
What could Akuchi be looking for at Amajeke? What? While there are many shops around here.
Mama, maybe she did not see what you asked her to buy around here and she had to go that far.
Nylon. Eh?
Okay, no problem. We'll call the police. But please, in case you hear any other news, just let us know, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Madam, I go to move. Oh, do take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
No problem. Oh?
What will I tell my husband people? What will I tell them?
Sister now.
What will I tell them?
Sister, you have to calm down, eh? It's not a crime for a mother to send her daughter on an errand. But it's okay. Don't worry. We'll go and look for her. We'll go to the place. We'll find the place and then we'll go to the hospital. Even if I don't even know why the man I work for has not sent the money, eh? Don't worry. We'll find a way, okay? Don't worry.
It's time for me to show this my friend that I will do the village. Let me see why I will go back to the village today without cars.
Who's that?
It's me, your fellow rich man.
Who?
My guy.
My guy, who is that?
It's me now.
What are you doing here?
My guy.
Shut up first! What are you doing here? Why did you call me before coming?
Network. Please, I'm tired of suffering.
I told you before coming here, call me on the phone. Don't walk from nowhere, baby. Yes, your guy. Who is your guy?
I'm tired of suffering. And now, I want to tell you that I have mean mind now. I'm ready to make money. I'm ready. Everybody knows that it's 1 or 2 kg when I go. Oh, kite. So I want you to show me the way. Give me updates. I'm ready to make money. I have my old father. Instead of it to die like that, let me use him. Yeah. Please.
Nah, all the poverty. Poverty has made your brain to rust. Brain again, all the kisi are drugging ma. So wait, this is a gossip. All of you are using me to gossip now. No. My friend, just Emmanuel Dege man now. Kindly get out of my house, please.
I should get out. No, not them Kenya. I cannot get out.
Go there back first. Leave first.
Don't do this now. Remember, it's me, Oji. That used to show you answer then. I was smarter than you in secondary school.
Get out of here. Seba. Okay, don't want to leave.
Chalo,
you don't want to leave.
Now.
You don't want to leave, okay?
Okay,
wait for me.
I'm going to keep moving to Bata. What will I tell my wife now, that I went to township, I did not come back with the money? Hey, oh.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, you never go help me. One night is. What is happening? Help. Who is shouting help me? Who is saying help me? One night is. Who is saying help me?
What I go lock now? Big bastard.
Hello? Stop. Are you Hello? Are you the one shouting help me? Are you the one saying help me that I heard over there? Yeah? Are you the one shouting help me?
Can you see me?
Yeah. Which one is? Can I see you? Am I blind? Are you the one shouting help me that I heard there? Eh?
Yes.
Are you Arinze's house help or sister? I did not see you the last time I came here.
It has not been long that I came.
No wonder. It was the last time I came here. And I said that nobody is here.
But it's not treating me well.
It's not treating you well. You see one thing about people getting money. Once somebody have money like this, they'll be doing anyhow. How can he not be treating his house help well? See, let me tell you, Arinze was my classmate in secondary school. He just made money, became rich. He doesn't care anymore. He refused to help me. I came his house today. He's even sending me out that I should go. Can you imagine?
Can you help me?
Of course I can help you. What did he do to you? Let me go and talk to him. And as much as he's saying that he's going to call police for me, let police come. I will tell police that he's not treating his house girl well. Who does that? But don't stay here. Let me go and talk to him. If he anything he wants to do, let him do it. Nonsense. Come and kill me. You want to kill me? Kill me. Come out. So this is how human beings, you people are not good. You people are not good. Today I'm not leaving your house. I'm not leaving your house except you help me. Can you imagine? Is that how wicked people can be because they have money? Because you have money, you will not help your friend. You are now maltreating your house girl anyhow. It's not good now. Come out. If you want to carry police, carry police. I'm not leaving your house today. I will not leave this house today. I'm here. Come out. Anything you want to go inside and do to me, do to me. Let's see if you do. No, he's not gone. Oh. He's not gone. He's not gone. He went inside there. I don't know what he wants to do. Whether he wants to go and bring cane, or want to go and bring cutlass, or he want to go and call police for me. I don't know. But he said if he go inside and come out, that I should leave. So he's inside. Let him come out. I'm not leaving. I'm fighting for you.
He's gone. I cannot smell his presence anymore.
Oh,
it's just you and I in this compound now.
You and I in this compound? Thank God. Thank God. You want me to leave your house? Come back and see that I will not leave it. He will come back and meet me here. Let me tell him face to his face that he's not a good man for treating his house girl like this. Who does that? Because you have money. Because you have money and you are driving big car.
Don't worry. He will come and meet me. Then I will treat his fuck up. Because you could have food. Food. Choramuni, please. I'm very hungry. Food. Do you know that every time I've been coming here, your guy doesn't give me food? Instead of give me food, he said he doesn't have anybody in this compound. But now that you're working here, that is why I'm happy. So please go and get me food.
You need food?
Yes. Food. I'm fighting for you. I'm fighting for you. If you make delicious meal and give me, let me eat. Have strength to face him when he come back. Yes, don't think twice about it though. I'm fighting for you, remember. Do you know why God sent me here to come and fight for you? So you should prepare and give me food. Let me eat. Get ready to fight him when he comes. Nonsense.
Stay put. I'll be back.
Yeah, you have come. Thank you. People will be doing anyhow because they are rich. Who does that? Because you are rich, you are not maltreating poor people anyhow. That is why I'm ready to make my own money. So that I will show him that I have the mind to make money. Can you imagine? Be treating look at the beautiful girl that God gave you to be taking care of your house. And you be treating her anyhow because you have money. Who does that? Who does that? Thank God for bringing me to fight for her. But you are doing anyhow because you how much is this house? By the time I use my father and do this thing now, I will build a house that is bigger than this one. Nonsense. How much your father that you use? Look at, I can't use my father and build this kind of house. I will build bigger one. Who is calling? My woman is calling. What will I tell her now? Hello, baby. Baby, I have gone to township. I have gone to the city, yes, to see my friend.
Oji, so you woke up and left this house without talking to me? Hey, Omaka. Omaka is very, very... Omaka.
No. You know I told you I'm going to surprise you now. I told you I will surprise you. I will make money. When I come back, I will be rich. Yes. I need to tell him, yes. I have come to tell him that I have the mind now to make it, that I have my father to use. Yes, I'm coming back.
You see where you are? Remain there. Do not come back to this house the same way you left. Because if you come back to this house without money, if you come back to this house being wretched, may you Zugi.
It has not gotten to this now.
I will use you for ritual. That ritual you want to use your father and do. If you come back here broke, Makachuku, I swear I will do it. Try me. So better stay there. If you know how to make money, make money. If you want to use everybody in the city and make money, I don't care. Do it. If you want to use all your classmates, use them. I don't care. All I know is that you must come back to this house with money. Else, I will end you. Did you hear me? You know the young Kukita? What year gone? It's fool. Anyways, it's better that he left to go and see that man. I just hope that the man helps him. That is just my prayer.
Hey!
Hey, now what is it?
Where's Oji? Where is him? Where is Oji?
What is it?
Where is him? Where can I find him? Please take me to him.
Where is he? Oh? Just stand and be asking me where is he. Don't talk.
I'm not joking. Something bad has happened.
What is that bad thing that has happened? What is that bad thing that has happened that you cannot tell me? Oji is not around. What is it? Speak to me. Talk to me direct.
His father is dead.
Listen again. Whose father is dead?
Oji's father is dead.
You must be joking. Because the man you're talking about just left here a few minutes ago. What are you saying? Whose father is dead?
To answer your question, an Okada man hit him on the head and he died. We plan to take him to the hospital before we realize he's already dead.
Hey!
Where can I find Oji? Oh, you have to come with me. We plan to take him to the hospital, but before we realize he's already dead.
Which Okada man?
Oh, his father is dead. That's all I came to tell you. Are you coming with me?
Gaba, just be going, eh? I will come. I will meet you. Be going. Jesus Christ. How? How can he be dead? He just... no, this man wants to set trap for me. It is not possible. He cannot be dead now. This is a trap. He wants me to stupidly walk into that trap. But I cannot now. No. I cannot. He threatened me. Yes. He threatened me. He said I should leave this house before he comes back. This is a trap. This is a trap. I know what to do. Wait.
What's happening to me? This is...
You must do killings
for
you to bounce back and remain notable. You must do blood sacrifice.
Hello? Hello, wise one. Wise one, I don't know what is happening to me. My body is itching me. Yes, I'm just on the mouth. Hi! Wise one! I'm coming! What's this? Wise one, I'm coming! No. What type of food is this? Hey.
Do you like it?
I don't have choice now. I'm Groji. Hey! What else you put in the Can you imagine? You see your friend, your guy, my friend, he wants to send me out. My classmate in secondary school that I even showed answer. Every time we are doing English and maths, I'm the one showing him answer. Look at, he wants to send me out from his house because no pattern on a cozy, the rich people. But when I was showing him answer, where was his money then? Now you want to treat him, let him go. Shame on him. Let him go and come back and say that I'm in his house. And I'm eating his food. Even though the food, what But I will tell him, I didn't get a nonsense. Bad man. I will tell him face to face that he's not a good person. For maltreating his house girl bad.
You help me get to my mother. She needs to know that I'm here.
Your mother? Enough with. Your mother doesn't know you are here. Then, my friend, let me help you. You jump fence. I will be here till he comes back. Then I will tell him I'm the one that sent your castle. Let her to go. Because you're maltreating her. When you police will come and we'll talk it. I beg you, once people get money, they will do anyhow. Now give me.
I cannot leave. You will need to help me.
You cannot leave. What you keep into the ego? What you do? I cannot leave. Don't worry. I will help you. I will fight for you. That is why I'm here. I'm in the city now to make money. Instead, I will join secret society. I have a father that I want to use. Do you know that? Do you know that this your guy is not a good person? He's in secret society. He's into secret society. That's why he had this kind of one house that he has. I'm treating you bad. Don't worry, I will fight for you. I have come to make my own money. You have to money. Let him come. I will show him. Say, oh, the near kid. When they come, they not sheep. Don't you have swallow? Akbo. Nka what I come nka.
You know what touching people? I'm probably you. What can I from my throat? Come on, want to push your rubber. Hey.
This is our road. Ebonyi Okalobi. Onye nwere obi na-akpata ego. Ndị obi fere azụ. Ọ bụrụ ọgụ nne na-agbara nwa. This is our road. Ebonyi Okalobi. Blood is involved. Blood sacrifice for the cleansing. This is our road. Ebonyi Okalobi. Ajabenuga. 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 Ajabenuga.
How is it now?
It happened like magic. I feel much better now. What happened?
Did anyone see that girl?
No. Nobody saw her.
I don't think so.
Wise one, nobody saw her. I made sure of that. Even my family. When my sister visited, I sent her back. Even my cleaner, I made sure that she stopped working, collected the spare keys that she was having. My stupid classmates visited earlier today. People very close to me. I made sure that I sent him back. Nobody saw her. I did everything you asked me to do. Wise one, I'm sure of what I'm telling you. Nobody, no single soul saw her. Isn't that when I opened the gate for you? I didn't allow any entrance into my house.
From what I am saying, someone else saw her.
This bastard. Wise one. This is my classmate I told you that came earlier today. But I made sure I sent him out. I went inside to get weapon to send him out. And when I came out, he was nowhere to be found. What is this boy doing here? What is this? What is this? I'm finished.
He didn't leave. He saw her ghost. What? And by the way, what is he eating?
No, I don't know. Hi! Dead. I'm dead. Wise one.
You are indeed dead.
Wise one, please. Wise one, please, you have to do something.
I warned you that you wouldn't live.
Wise one, you have to do something, please. Please, I don't want to die. I don't want to die, please. Please, Wise one, please.
It's not my making.
Wise one,
pray that when we get to your house, we find that boy. Only his blood can appease the great Kubunga. Otherwise, you will be dead at your set.
Let's go. Let's go to my house, can we? Let me call him.
Onis is calling me. My friend is calling me. I know you want to beg me now. I said it. If I do shakara for you now, they can want the money. Hello? Arinza? Yes. I'm in your compound now. This is not fair. This is not fair. Your classmate, you are sending me out from your house. This is not good though. You lock the house now. You lock the house. Yes, I told you I'm ready. I told you that I'm ready. I want to use my father. I told you. I have mind now. Yes, I'm in your compound. I even saw your house girl. She was shouting, help me.
I said, when you come back, we'll talk. There's something we'll talk like men. She said you're not treating her well. Oh, you are coming back. Oh, you want to help me? Thank you. Okay. Yes. All right. I'm going to meet you. Now I'm saying, your guy called me now.
I must leave now.
I say, you need to leave. So you just open mouth and talk to somebody anyhow. You don't have respect. Which one I should leave now? And my friend that I've been waiting for wants to help me. He said I should leave. Just like that. Without go, I will not make money. I'll go back to the village. Take your time. What do you want respect? It's not because you gave me food.
You need to leave now, else you will die.
How come you want respect? You don't have respect. So this is what you are doing that makes your Oga to treat you anyhow. Except the Oga going to take you. That he's treating you bad. Because you talk to him anyhow. Mind yourself. Why you talk to me? I have a wife in the village. See, let me tell you. You don't talk to me people like that. I say, you have to leave now. Else I will die. Look at you. My friend that wants to help me. He has agreed to help me. And he want me to leave. I'm ready to help you. When he helps me, I will help you. I cannot go to the village without making money. It's not possible. I have come to make it.
You promised to help me. I need you to leave this place this minute. Else you will die.
Leave this
place! I don't want to hurt you! Go!
You don't want to talk to me. People can't get away so cool. You don't know me. What you want? Go to the village and ask of me. You say you cannot hurt me. Can you hurt me? I mean, some Oga treat you. Is this how you talk to your Oga? See, all the mother Juganya. Mother Juganya. You don't have respect for somebody that come from village. See, let me tell you, I have a wife in the village, in case you don't know. I have a wife, so you know why now you talk to me. Your Oga doesn't have a wife, but I have a wife. So you respect me more than your Oga. Also, take your time, because you gave me food. Food that is been disturbing my stomach that I didn't want to vomit. If you want your food, I vomit your food. Is it because you gave me food that you can command me anyhow to go live here? Look at the small girl shouting at me. Because he is white.
You don't seem to understand, right?
You don't seem to understand. So because you gave me a plate of yam that didn't make me in my stomach, that you are commanding me as you live, I don't understand. So more I would only have sense. Because I part of a mego. I have sense.
I'll make you understand.
You make you understand. I don't blame you. Your Oga can blame you. You're going to come my friend back. It's like I will join him and maltreat you. You want respect. I don't want to.
I'll make you understand.
You will make me understand. Oh, Jesus. Chineke. Yanne. How's the audience? Hey. Where did she go now? Yanne. Can you look at this girl? Jesus! What happened? What happened?
I am not alive.
You're not alive? Are you a ghost? And you gave me food? Hey, everything of everywhere, mom.
The only person that will help me is a fool. Stand up! You're close. Stand up! You promised to help me! Stand up, please! They're coming! Stand up! Stand up and help me! You said you were going to help me! Stand up!
Beautiful woman, who is after you? Have you agreed to use him now?
Wise one, there is problem, oh. There is a very big problem. I had to run to you. This morning, my husband left the city. Few minutes later, a boy walked into the compound and said my husband's father was killed by an Okada. I don't know if it is true or not, oh. They even said he is dead.
Arrow.
Something is telling me that this is a trap. Something is telling me that they just set a trap for me to fall into. That's why I had to come now, because I need your confirmation about this.
He's dead for real, oh.
Hey! Chimebomo. How can this man die like that? How can this man just be wasted like this? Ha!
Your husband was not smart enough. You have to do something about it. Or leave the town. Or make sure that he comes back immediately.
No, I have to leave. Wise one, I need to leave. What am I doing here? I need to leave. I need to leave. But, Wise one, is this something you can, give me for protection in case there is any bad plans they are making against me?
You and your husband have not paid me a dime. I've been working for you for all this time. I was expecting to do something for you so that I can do it for you and you pay me well. Now there's nothing you have paid me and I cannot do anything.
This is not the reason why I wanted this boy to make money. This is just the reason I wanted him to make money. I'm just a broke woman. I don't have money. Where would I get money now to give you so you can give me something for protection?
You and your husband are owing me. You have to pay me something. Or else I won't be happy with you. You can go.
You can give me on credit. Just give me something on credit. Because I need protection. These people are going to kill me. My husband is not around.
No. It's not possible like that. Not possible like that. Not possible like that. You can go.
Wait, man, is there nothing you can give me? What if this is a trap? Yeah.
There's nothing I can do now.
Let's stick him.
Close the doors.
See my daughter, Jeremy from Mama. This is time for her to go to morning mass. Time have reached for her to go to church. Where is Akuchi? Akuchi Mama, my only daughter. Akuchi Mama, where are you? Mama, crying one day, you got for watching one day. Mama, one day, you got for watching one day. Watching is nowhere to be found. Mama is nowhere to be found. Oh God. Don't allow anything to happen to them. I don't like this program. I don't like it.
Great Kabonga, let the blood of this animal appease you.
Forgive the wrong of your son, the lion. Let this be a warning to him. Accept the blood sacrifice of this man here.
Wait, Kabunga! Wait, Kabunga!
This is our blood is involved, blood sacrifice for the cleansing. This is our
Thank God he has picked. Fool! Why have you not been picking your calls? What is your problem, Unna? Listen to me. Your father is dead. I repeat, your father is dead. I'm about to leave this village. So if you know, but wait, did you kill him? I'm asking, did you succeed in using him for ritual? Tell me now. You did not. So who killed him?
Papa don't die.
So it's true. Eh? You want to run away?
What is happening?
We have been waiting for you. And here you are, you want to run again?
Run. No, I don't want to run.
My friend, drop the bag there.
Hey. My people.
It's obvious you and Oji killed this man.
God forbid.
You people killed him.
I did not, oh. My people, I did not kill him.
So who did?
I did not kill him. I don't know. I don't know who killed him. I've always been nice to him.
Yes.
I've always been very, very nice to him. Anayo, you know now, the day you came here, I gave him food.
Akwa. Me?
See.
My friend, you are lying. It's a lie.
You are the one.
Oh, you think I don't know? He told me everything. In fact, you have been the one engineering Oji to kill his father.
Oh, hey, Anayo, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me now. Don't do
this man today.
See, my brothers, let me tell you the truth. I will not protect my husband. I will not protect him this time around. Oji is evil. Yes, I am saying it. He is evil. He was the one that has always wanted to use his father for ritual. I've been telling him, Oji, leave this old man alone. Leave this man alone. He is innocent. But Oji said he wants to make money, that he wants to be rich. That was it, oh. I did not do anything.
Better call Oji to start coming, or else your body will tell you.
Oji is coming.
See, it's not this one that you are doing. We don't even know you. We will kill you here and nothing will happen.
No, now.
In fact, check if you see shovel.
No, let me call Oji. Let me call Oji.
Stop crying. You can't continue like this. Eh? Don't worry, we will still see her. I believe God.
Mama, please stop crying. You don't know. Maybe she's at the hospital receiving treatment. Let's just allow the vigilante people to do their work, please.
Why is it that it's only my daughter that cries? Why? Why, God? Why?
Why are you talking like this? Eh? It's okay. My prayer is that your sister will collect money from her boss. Then we can go to the police and lodge a complaint. Please stop crying. Crying will not solve any problem. Hi.
Ave, Ave, Maria.
Obi so Maria kasifo na nyai.
Ave, 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 Maria.
Obi so Maria kasifo na nyai.
Ave, 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 Ave Maria.
Ubi so Maria Kasifunanya.
Ave, Ave, Ave Maria.
Akuchio! It's okay, my friend. It's okay, I'm blessed.
Ave, Ave,
Ave Maria. Akuchi!
God didn't lock his gate today. Oh, he's around. Jesus, what is going on? Oh God. Okay, is it? Who is this man? Chenutu. Is this not Akuchi? 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 What is Akuchi doing here? Akuchi? Akuchi? No. Oga? What is Akuchi doing here? Akuchi? Akuchi, wake up, please, wake up. We've been looking for you. Akuchi, wake up. Akuchi, wake up! Oga, wake up now. What is happening? Akuchi, please, wake up. Akuchi, please, get up. Your mother is looking for you. Get up, we'll be looking for you. What is happening? Oga. Akuchi, please, wake up, please. Akuchi, get up. Akuchi, wake up. Akoni, wake up. Akuchi, wake up. Wake up, please, wake up.
In the name of God the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Our Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Mama, your sister.
Georgina.
Yes.
Hello? Georgina? Huh?
Georgina, what is it? Talk to me now. Eh? Georgina! What? Georgina! What is it? Georgina! Who called her? Georgina, what is it? Please collect the phone from me. Hey! Yakuchi is dead! Hey!
I want to see my daughter, a Jeremy from Mama. This is time for her to go to Mommy Mass. Tell Mama, for her to go to Georgie. Where is Akuchi? My only daughter, Akuchi Mama. Where are you? One day, he got for back. Mama, wake your day. Mama, be please. I'm feeling a bed. One day, he got for back. Mama, crying. Mama, be one day, he got for back. Mama, be one day, he got for back.
Mama, what do we do now? Eh? They will kill Sister Mabel there.
What do you want me to do? Okay, you want me to go there so that they will kill me? It's not possible. I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, we cannot leave her there like that. See, they will kill her. They will kill her. But if they turn like this and see that at least she asks people, the punishment will not be so much like that. But if we don't go at all, it's going to be very dangerous. So they will kill her.
I'm not going anywhere. Your sister told me lies. She deceived me. She told me that she's in the city, whereas she was in the village with a local champion. Living with a man that did not pay her bride price. Can you imagine? It's a disgrace. After forming big girl, now you want me to go? I am not going anywhere. If she stayed there, finish, she will carry herself and come and meet me in this village.
Well, this is not fair. This is not fair. We are going to lose her. This is not fair at all. Let's just go so they will know that she has people. We cannot leave her there like that.
You have the address. You have when they were calling the address. You can go there and trace her. After all, she's your sister. Go there. Stop disturbing me. You better be phone now.
Nah, what type of life is this? Huh? Where did I meet this woman called Babel from? Hi. Oh, how do I go back to the village now? I don't even have any money with me. Should I sell this phone? Who will buy it? Hi, child. My father is dead. So I came to this city to make money. The money I did not make. Now my father has died for nothing. I'm going to suffer for everything. Eh? What the problem be here now? Mabel is a bad woman. Why did I even go God? Why can I like one in Georgia? Every time you are a woman. Eh? Hi. Oh, should I go back to what will I do now? Going back to the village now. How will I? Going there now is to face a lot of problem. Oh. Eh? Oh, okay, no, and I've been there with the ghost. I don't even know the girl with the ghost. And she was giving me food to Ebele go see the since now, by now, I found can turn on. Eh? Hi. Oh, gee, this is your life, eh? This is your life. So unorganized. What will I do now to coordinate my life? Can you imagine nonsense old man, native doctor is telling me to organize my life, coordinate my life? How do you go, Korean? You must find a way to go back to the village. Huh? Nah. Which kind of problem is this? Every time from one problem to another. From one problem to another. OG. Ah!
Hey! Come back here. Akuchi. Where are you rushing to?
I'm rushing to church, Mama.
Akuchi, you just came back from church and now you are rushing back to church again.
Mama, we have devotion. October devotion. And I'm the one leading them, so I have to be there on time.
You are mad. You don't have sense at all. Is there anything you are not telling me, Akuchi? Akuchi, tell me, do you have a boyfriend in that church that you always rush to go and see? Eh? Because if I find out myself, I am going to strangle you. I will kill you.
Mama, why do you always speak like you're not a Christian? Why is it that every time you see me go to church, your body is always boiling? I don't understand. Every other mother that I know is happy when their child is close to God, but yours is different.
Akuchi, are you ready? Mama, good evening.
Abi,
Mama.
Good afternoon. Abi, good afternoon. Abi, are you guys not tired of going to church every minute, every now and then?
Mama, tired. It's the things of God, though. No one gets tired of God.
Exactly.
Mama, please, we'll see you later. We'll be back.
Mama, later. Bye-bye. See you.
Mama, it's God, though. It's God, though. That proper God. Because if you try and get pregnant, I will kill you myself. If you dare get pregnant in this house, Akuchi, I am going to... You know what I can do now? You know what I will do to you? Biakwao, wait. What I don't want is this girl wake up one day and tell me that she don't want to get married. She wants to be a reverend sister. Hey, I cannot take that. Oh. I cannot take it. Oh. God, now my only daughter, my only child, the only eye in which I am seeing through is dead. What do you want me to do? Why do you allow a ritualist to kill my daughter? Why do you allow my daughter to die by a ritual man? Why? God, please answer me. I need the answer. Please.
It's okay. You don't have to feel this way. Don't say this, please. God knows. He knows the best.
God knows the best. Where have I wronged him? What have I done to deserve this? What has my daughter done to God? Did I not bring my daughter up in the way of God? Did I not train her very well? Why did he allow the ritual man to kill my daughter, to take away the life of my precious child?
I don't know.
My only child.
It's okay.
The only one in which I am alive today. God, come down and tell me. I want to ask him why. I want to know why. Oh God. All my sufferings in the house of God. And God allowed this kind of a thing to befall on me. I will not keep quiet.
It's okay. The man has been caught by the police. Even the court leader. They've been arrested.
Oh, this is all God can do. Is that all God can do to avenge my daughter's death? Is that all he can do? What am I going to do with those things if they caught them? What will I do with it? Is that all he can do? God, come down and tell me why. Come down and tell me why. Tell me why you should allow my daughter to die. Tell me why. Tell me why. No! It's okay. Let him come down. It's okay. You know, all my service in the house of God. All my services. It's okay. All my efforts. It's okay. No. No. I want to die. No. I will die.
Sister, I will not lose you.
You will lose me all.
Please, I will not lose you too. No. I will not lose my niece and you.
No. No. I want to die. What am I living for?
Uchi, I am sorry. I am sorry for everything that I put you through. I just hope that you will find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am going back home to my parents. Please forgive me. I am deeply sorry.
You go nowhere, but wherever you go, I must surely torment you.
Papa.
Why do you want to have everything in a twinkle of an eye? You have forgotten that success only comes through hard work on the more. Not to be wicked on your fellow human being. Desperation for money can only lead to destruction. Don't forget the question.